Fold one taro purple pipe cleaner in half. Leave 2.5 centimeters and 1 centimeter on the ends and twist tightly. Take half a taro purple pipe cleaner. Wrap it once around the base to secure. Bend a small loop and twist to fix it. Adjust the shape into an upside-down heart. Take a new taro purple pipe cleaner. Wrap it around to fill the entire petal. Trim the tip into a point. Press the petal inward to form a curve. Curl the edges outward. Shape the whole petal into a cup. Bend one light periwinkle pipe cleaner at 8 centimeters. Leave 1 centimeter on the short end and twist tightly. Wrap the longer end upward once to secure. Take half a taro purple pipe cleaner. Wrap it around the lower part. Insert the center into the petal. Take one floral stem. Use elastic thread to secure the flower to the top. Wrap the entire stem with light green floral tape.